This is an amazing day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get outside of the map with a brand new glitch that nobody has ever done before, at least I think. Never seen this. So you want to go into the city where the sunglasses cosmetics place is, go under, and walk all the way to the end where your back is against the wall, okay? Then you want to sit on something, your bed, whatever. I don't know why this helps, but you want to do that. And then you go crawl over with your arms like this as far as you can to where you're about in the position that I am, like right here. And then you put your arm at the top, put your other arm out, and then pull back. Okay, like this, and pull back. There you go. So then when you get into the corner like this, you want to come over closer to the corner and push down like this, like how I'm doing here. And you should actually start to be glitching a lot in and out of the map. There you go. So when you get to this point, you want to start pushing to the side like this. Just pushing to the side and looking where I am looking right now. Just looking straight over. There you go. Diagonally. There you go. So now my head is outside of the map. And this part is a little tricky. So you want to crawl under the map. And I'm going to do time lapse to where you have to go. And make sure you don't pull yourself up or else your arms, or else you will come back through the map. Let me show you. Okay, when you're over here next to the corner, you want to turn your head up here and then go up. Be very careful, because if you pull your arms like this, you will come out of the map. So you want to make your arm long and curl along the outside like this, and then reach your head around this part and go like that to where you're right here and outside of this part. And you can just pull your arms out and then wall climb over there. Goodbye. Okay. That was technically a fail. However, it did work very well. So, when you get outside of the map with both of your arms, you want to wall climb up off that wall to the other wall and back and forth. Until you do make it to the top of the map. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.